You think Harvey still got the diamond?
I do.
What makes you so sure about that?
I don't know, a gut feeling, I guess. And it's not like it's easy to sell something like the Black Arlov.
I still don't get how the hell you pull that off.
Well, I'm actually good at what I do.
Come on. Hey, get into cover.
Cabrón, está pendejo esta cosa. Oye, ¿quieres un poco? No.
Esa cosa me... There. You see, two of them. Yeah. Stay low. Let's flank them. All right.
Estoy alerto con esto, güey. Mames, incluso dormido estoy alerto. Esto me ayuda con eso. ¿Cómo, amigo? ¡Muere!
Watch out! More of those assholes are coming!
¡Vete a la chingada! Los mataré a los...
I think that's all of them. Come on, Leo, help. Sniper! Just stay low. That way.
Let's go through there. Oh, shit. Vincent, get over here. Nice. The sniper rifle. I'll stay up here and keep you covered. Go, Vincent!
Crap! More of them!
No tengo munición.
More of them? Leo, cover me!
Looks like that was all of them.
Come on, Leo. Help me lift this door. Looks like we're not using this bridge. Hey, Leo, come here.
Wait. More of them coming.
Let's go through the gate. Hurry up. Damn, they're closing the gate.
Over here, Vincent. Help me push this car.
All right. That actually worked.
Brute force. Always a winner.
A lock. This should be easy.
Oh, shit! Get down!
Piece of shit! You're a dead man! ¿Está listo? Sí, jefe, apúrate. Vamos, está listo. Vamos, vamos.
Vincent, go! I'll cover you! We need to find another way around. Go! I'll cover you! Too thick! We need to find another way around!
Leo, you ready? Okay!
Go! I'll cover you!
¡Qué pedazos de mierda!
Leo, get down! I'm on
¡No
it!
los dejen escapar! ¡Al infierno! ¡Los mataré a los dos! ¡Órale ya! ¡Acábalo! ¡Hería uno! ¡Ey, ahí! ¡Pedazos de mierda! ¡Ey, ahí! ¡Al infierno!
Ahí están. Ahí están.
Ready?
Come on, let's go.
You
You think you can just come into my fucking house? You think it's that easy to take me out? Motherfuckers! We gotta get closer, come on!
¡No tengo munición!
Leo, get down! Hang in there, Leo!
Vincent, where are you?
Don't even think about it. Slide it over.
All right. Here you go.
Shut the fuck up. One more word from you and I'll put a bullet in your face.
Wait. Leo. I still got it. That's what you're here for, right? The diamond. It's all yours. It's in the safe. Over there. You can take it.
Come on. Get up. Go.
Here, take
it. Let him go, Harvey!
Put the fucking gun down! Put it down now! I will
There's no
shoot
way
him.
out of this! Just give up!
Not gonna happen!
More men are coming. We gotta go. Come on.
Dan! Leo, get on the bike!
¡Hey! ¡Rápido! ¡Los capitanes! ¡Ya vamos! ¡Rápido! ¡Están escapando! ¡Vamos, vamos, vamos! ¡Oye, vámonos ya!
Here they come!
Shit! Just keep going!
We gotta find Emily! Should be this way!
Focus on the driving, Vincent! They're shooting at us! Shit! They've got a machine gun on the back of that Jeep!
We should be okay as long as we keep our distance from it. Did you see that? Whoa!
Go faster, Vincent! Come on! Don't you dare come closer, you piece of shit! Oh! Look out! What a jump!
Stop complaining and drive, Leo!
Hey! Oh! Get out of the way!
They're blocking the... Leo, they're gonna run you over!
Whoa!
Get off the road! Looks like they stopped the shooting.
They must be up to something! Keep going!
Grenades incoming!
These guys are crazy!
Oh, shit! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, shit!
¡Mierda, qué explosión! ¿Qué crees?
I have to go back to Leo. Leo, I'm coming! Get on the bike!
Come on! Go, go, go! Where the hell did they come from?
I don't know, just keep them off our backs!
Come on, Vincent, go faster!
I'm trying! Just get them off our backs!
Take that, you son of a bitch! there!
car!
Get us to the plane!
I got it! Just keep them away!
Seriously, how many trucks do they have? What are you doing? Go to the other side!
We're about to
We
run
need
out of
to
road
get
here,
to the
Leo!
other
Get
side.
to the plane!
I'm trying, just keep it steady! Seriously, how many trucks do they have? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get me close to the plane. I'll jump in.
We're about to run out of road here, Leo! Get into the plane!
I'm trying. Come on, Vincent, go faster. Seriously, how many trucks do they have? Hell yeah! Let's catch the plane now! Get me close to the plane! I'll jump in!
We're about to...
Let's go, go!
Shit! That was close. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, Emily! Great flying!
You guys are crazy! Vincent, you're gonna have to pay me triple for this.
You got it. Vincent, you're not gonna hear me say this often, but thanks. You too, Leo. You know what? I think I'm gonna write that letter to Carol.
That's a great idea. Hey, Emily! You have a pen and paper?
Wait, now?
Why not? It's a long way home. You got anything better to do?
Not really.
All right, then.
How are we doing?
We should be landing in 10 minutes.
Okay.
What's Leo up to?
Sleeping?
About time to wake him up then.
Yeah.
Are you okay, Vincent?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm fine. Leo.
What? Yeah. We there yet?
Yeah.
Everybody stand down! Here you go. Good job, Vincent.
I'm sorry, Leo.
It's all there. Count it. Looks about right. Yeah, of course it is. You can always trust me. I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Just saying, I'm a trustable guy. Yeah, I'm sure you are. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
All right. He's got it.
Finally.
What the fuck are you doing?
Shit! Shots fired!
Oh, shit.
Shots fired! Go!
Secure the area! Move in!
No! Gary! Gary! Officer down! Somebody get a damn ambulance! Gary, stay with me. Please. I'm sorry, please. Somebody call an ambulance now!
Hey, listen, Leo. You're in big trouble, you understand? Where's Harvey? Where's the Black Orlov? What are you, deaf? Well, you think you're funny, don't you? What, you think you can just go and sell it on a street corner? What are you, stupid? Are you that stupid? It's all gonna rain down on you hard. You got it? You're gonna have to talk at some point. You understand?
He's not gonna say a word.
Yeah. I know.
There's only one option now.
I'll get someone on it.
James, if you want Harvey and the Black Orlov, this is the only way. Just put me in a cell next to him.
You're too close to this, Vincent. You better sit this one out.
Gary was my brother. My flesh and blood. And he's dead because of me. I put him in that situation. I need to do this, and you know it. Just make it happen, James. You're under arrest, Leo. It's over.
Nobody move! I'll fucking kill him!
Only making it worse for yourself.
Take it easy, Leo. Shut up! Get out of my way! Do this. You're gonna pay for this! Stay away! Get in the fucking car! Go! I'm fucking trusting you, Vincent!
Leo, you need to calm down.
Calm down! Are you serious?
Look, I know you're angry.
Angry? You haven't seen me angry yet, you backstabbing pig!
Please, just calm down.
Shut up! Just shut the fuck up!
Stop the car and let's talk this through. There's still a chance for you to do the right thing.
The right thing, huh? The only right thing here is me pointing the gun right at your face, so shut up!
I'm really sorry for everything. Please stop the car.
Sorry? You're sorry, huh? I can't believe you fucking rat! Work, you poly chump! Yeah, just a bit more. One more should do it. Fire! Faster!
There! Down on the right! See him running! Set us down over there!
Okay.
All right! Come on, hurry! I'll go this way.
All right.
Get out of here! Go!
Don't do anything stupid, Leo.
Shut up! Just go! I don't want to hurt you, Emily. Just get out!
You know I can't do that.
Don't fucking push it! This is between me and Vincent! Now get the hell out! Get out! Go!
Leo! Please stop this.
How's it feel to stab someone in the back?
I know you're disappointed, but Harvey killed my brother. I had no choice.
I can't fucking believe this!
I'll talk to the captain. We'll reduce your sentence.
My sentence! You're a dead man, you piece of shit!
What about your son, Alex?
Shut the fuck up! Don't you mention his name! You don't get to mention his name! You hear that, you piece of shit? You're a dead man! You piece of shit!
Gotta find him. Can't let him get away.
Where are you at, Leo? Let's put an end to this.
Ugh. Damn it. Had enough? I got plenty more bullets!
Come on! We don't have to do this!
Drop it. Throw it away. You fucking disgust me, you pig. It's over. Get up. Get up. My letter to Carol. Carol, I just want to say that I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for the broken promises and not being there when you needed me. I'm sorry for no longer being the man you fell in love with. My biggest regrets are all the moments we didn't get to spend together. From now on, I don't want to miss a second together with you and our beautiful daughter. If you let me, I'll be the husband you once loved and the father I know I can be. Yours forever, Vincent.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Hey,
Linda, are you guys ready to leave?
we are. Are you sure no one was following you?
Yeah, we're fine. Let's just get going.
Are you okay?
I am. I'm fine.